Hi all, I'm Teacher Yang from 591 Lab. Today a friend asked why CCIE always updates the syllabus. On September 20th, CCIE EI will upgrade from v1.0 to v1.1. Let's answer why update the exam syllabus. It's like this CCIE occasionally. It always needs to update the exam outline. The update is to gradually remove all technologies, unused technologies, or technologies that may be eliminated in the future. During the CCIE lab exam, it will no longer test old technologies and set knowledge points. Simultaneously, it'll introduce updated tech or tech for future use, or more suitable tech to be added to the kill. Only by continuously updating the roasting tank in this way can CCIE be certified and have sustained value. Competitiveness, applicability. CCIE launched 30 years ago in '93. To keep up, update the exam syllabus constantly. Its initial roasts today are already outdated and in need of upgrading. In the early days when we took the CCIE exam, we studied the mesh network and the RIP protocol. Today, there's no chance to encounter mesh networks or RIP protocol again. In the previous version, upgrades, these contents have been gradually removed. For example, in the new exam syllabus, SDN and SD-WAN will be tested, right? So at the time of the upcoming update on September 20th, the actual new v1.1 syllabus will also add the content of SD-WAN, right? Some previous ones will also be deleted, like the content of VTP, the content of IPFR, and other similar legacy items. Update the exam syllabus for sustainable, valuable, and competitive certification. If there is no continued exam update, just search on Google or other search engines can easily find lab dump solutions. Prepare for the exam casually. Imagine if we pass like this, get the CCIE certification and the value of certificate, do you think it will still be competitive? Whether it's CCIE or HCIE, it is valuable and competitive because it continuously updates the content and format of the exam along with the development of the technology, right? To make CCIE certification sustainable, competitive, and valuable.